Welcome to A Bit on the Light Side. I'm Dorothy Lee, Family and Consumer Science Agent for the University of Florida Institute of Food and Agricultural Sciences, Escambia County Extension. One of the dishes we traditionally prepare during the holiday season for Easter is a potato salad. And today, this is an easy does it potato salad recipe. And really what makes it so easy is I'm using the diced hash brown potatoes. This is a 30-ounce bag of diced potatoes. And I have a little bit, actually about a quart of water, and I put some salt in the water, and I brought it to a boiling point. And the first step in this recipe is to add the diced hash brown potatoes and cook them until they're just barely tender. Now, I'm using the stovetop to prepare the potatoes, but you also could cook them in the microwave for another quick and easy way. So we're going to go ahead and put our potatoes in our boiling salted water and cover our dish, our container, and let them cook for about maybe 4 to 6 minutes until they're fork tender. The hash brown potatoes are now ready to be drained. They're fork tender, so I'm going to drain those. We're going to let our potatoes cool for just a little while we mix the dressing for our potato salad. So the dressing for the potato salad is on the light side because we're using light mayonnaise, also fat-free sour cream, along with an assortment of vegetables. I have some chopped celery, some green peppers, some sweet relish, and an egg that has been chopped, and also a little bit of salt and pepper to season it. Okay. All right. I'm going to start with the sour cream, 1/4 cup of sour cream into our dish. Okay. This is the fat-free sour cream, and dressings that are prepared in the bottom of the dish, and then the other ingredients added tends to coat most of the vegetables a little bit better for us. So, okay, I have some mayonnaise. I'm going to use about 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. Okay, I've added the 1/4 cup of light mayonnaise, and now I'm going to add a little bit of sweet pickle relish. If you like dill pickle relish in your salad, you can use the dill pickle relish instead of the sweet pickle relish. But for this recipe, a little bit of sweet adds to the flavor, of course, of our potato salad. So there's our relish. And I have some green bell peppers, a little bit of color. I'm going to add to our dish. Okay. And also about 1/2 cup of chopped celery. Now you could add red peppers, green peppers. The colored peppers would make it nice and pretty for this time of year. Okay, and I'm going to kind of mix just a little bit here and kind of coat all of the vegetables with the sour cream and the mayonnaise that's in the bottom here. Okay. Okay. Now we are ready to, I have 2 chopped eggs. You can even add a little bit of the just the egg whites if you like instead of the yolks. Okay, I'm going to mix that. And in the South, potato salad is not potato salad until you have the mustard added. So, and I'm just going to guess with the mustard because we only need about a teaspoon. So I'm going to kind of just add a little bit. That's about a teaspoon. Okay, so we have about a teaspoon added there, and we will mix that lightly. Make sure that all of our vegetables are thoroughly coated. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and add about 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt to our mixture, and the same, about 1/4 of a teaspoon of pepper to our mixture, and kind of mix that thoroughly. And then our next step will be we're going to add our diced hash brown potatoes to our mixture. Our hash brown potatoes have been thoroughly drained and cooled somewhat, and so now we're going to add it to our mayonnaise and sour cream and vegetable mix, and kind of fold it in lightly. Okay. You could also use, there's a frozen hash brown potatoes that have peppers added to them. That would be a good way to take care of the green peppers. And also you could add onions if you like onions in your potato salad to this dish. So now we're ready to serve up. Our easy does it potato salad is ready to serve. So if you're serving this maybe for an Easter lunch or an Easter dinner, you might want to dress it up a little bit. So this time of year, the spring, all the flowers are blooming and we have beautiful color and so forth. So we're going to put on our top of our potato salad a flour, and I have 2 eggs, and I have cut the eggs in quarters just a little bit. Okay, and this one I'm going to peel because I want the center. Okay, all right, that's the center of our pretty flour. And the other egg I have quartered, so we're going to put our quarters for the petals. Okay, and then in the center, this is our center of our egg. Is going to be the center of our flour. And then we have some celery pieces that we might want to kind of put in just for some leaves. So this is our potato salad dressed to serve for your holiday Easter dinner. For more information, contact University of Florida, Escambia Extension.